Hello children, myself Shubha Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 1 arithmetic progression. See that up to 18th sum we solved. Now I am going to write the 19th question. What is the 19th question? 19th question I am going to write it on the board. Already you are practicing maths now. So 19th question, you have to understand first question, then you have to solve it. So here I am going to write question now. First question, 19th question. 19th question is 200 logs are stocked. 200 logs are stocked in the following manner. In the following manner. The following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row. 20 logs in the bottom row. In the bottom row. 19 in the next. 19 in the next row. 18 in the row next to it. 18 in the row next to it. Next to it means they are reducing one, and so on, and so on. See in the diagram, see the figure 1.5. In how many rows? In how many rows are the 200 logs, are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs, and how many logs, how many logs are in the top row, are in the top row, in the top row. You have to find out. They gave the diagram. So many logs are there. They have arranged the logs. First how many? 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll go that one less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One less. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So like this way. So they kept some logs, reducing one line. So they kept like this way, and we have to find out. So like this way they give the diagram. So they are reducing one log above. Okay. So when you see the question, 200 logs Sn value I know means which common I can use it. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using that formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values now. 200 is equal to n value we don't know, we have to find out. A value we know. So this is n value we have to find out. B value minus 1. So substitute and simplify now. Cross multiplication you do it. It becomes 400. Then simplify now. You will get. So now cross multiplication are done. So 40 into 2 is 40. If you multiply, it becomes minus into plus minus n, minus into minus plus 1. So then I can simplify and I can find out the value of n. So multiply now. This is 400. n into 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. n into 41 minus n. So multiply now. We'll get 400. 41n minus n square. You want first positive term means it is in the form of quadratic equation to and to split and I will find out the even value. So I arrange now. First I take it this side, it becomes n square. This term also I will take it this side, minus 41n. This will be as is. Now I have to split middle term. How I can split then? So now I can split this one as minus 25n and n square n minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. So now take n common, n minus 25, 16 you take common, 25, n minus 25 is equal to 0. Take common once again, you know already splitting method and how to find out the variable value. n minus 16 is equal to 0. Both equalize to 0. n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16. So but actually it is started from 20 lakhs. So it will start from 20 lakhs and we are going to reduce means the number of rows will be less than 20 only. So we will consider n value as 16. Therefore n is 16. n value is 16. We got it one value and what we have to find out. Then I have to find out an. I have to find out that is a16 now. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. By using this formula, substitute the value. 16th term is equal to first term value is 20. 16 minus 1. B value is minus 1. 20 plus 15 into minus 1. Then 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. So in 16 there are 16 rows and number of rows are 16. In 16th row in the last top row how many logs are there? That is this on 16th row the number of logs are 5. Therefore there are what they asked. So how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? There are 16 rows. There are 16 rows and in 16th row 5 logs are there. 5 logs are there. Okay children, can I repeat once again? There are some of logs are 200. They vary like this way. In the bottom row they kept 20 logs. Next one they are reducing 1980. According to that I have written 80. I have find out some of in terms of an 80 means your Sn value know how many logs they kept 200. I know the first number of logs. D the difference between any two terms is minus 1 here and I have to find out n and an. By using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I have to substitute all the word values I know and I can simplify the next 19 in this manner. So the last it will be less than 20 only, it will not be more than 20. So I will consider n value as 16. Then by taking 16th row n value as 16, I can find out 16th term of this row. How many logs are there in that row? That is 5. There are 16 rows and in 16th row 5 logs are there. Please children copy down. Children, last sum of this exercise, that is 20th. 20th question is, I will write 20th question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. Which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. So there are 10 potatoes. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So they give one diagram, that is see in figure 1.6. So your one line, you are starting at the starting point. They kept one bucket. They kept some potatoes in this, and 5 meter and 3 meter each. Next, from here to here it is 3 meter. From here to here, first competitor 5 meter, next 3 meter, next 3 meter. In continuous. Okay, like this way they give your potato. So a competitor has to start. So like this way they give. The diagram. Here are some trees they give. Okay. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it. Drop in the bucket. So, and runs back to pick up the next potato, runs with the bucket to drop it in. And she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? See, once again I am going to repeat. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters away from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters. Then 3 meters apart in the straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, potato and the second potato, the total distance run by a competitor is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. In this manner they gave me the question, and if I start, so according to the question, I can write it. The first competitor, she will run from 5, she will take first potato which is 5 meter away from the bucket, and she will run back once again to put it in the bucket. So twice she is going to run. So it becomes then 2 into 5, 10. In the same manner it continues. So next also, but distance is going to increase. So solution, here to pick the first potato, she has to run 2 into 5 is 10 meter, and to pick up the second potato, she has to run 2 into 5 plus 3, that is 60 meter. To pick the third potato, that is 2 into 5 plus 3 plus 3, that is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 into 22. In this manner we will get the arithmetic progression. We can find out totally how many potatoes are there. 10 potatoes are there. So I can write it like this way, arithmetic progression, 10 plus 16 plus 22. How many potatoes are there? 10 terms are there like this way. So 10 terms are there. So by seeing this one, I will come to A value is 10, D value 16. So D value how much? 16 minus 10, 6. D value is 6. We will come to A2, you will subtract this. D value will come to 6. So then number of terms are there n, that is n is 10. So totally how much she has to cover the distance means I have to find out Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula I have to use it now to find out total how much distance she covered. Yes, 10 potatoes to bring. Then A value is 10, n value is also 10, d value is 6. Simplify after substituting all the values. Now 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So yes, 10. Sum of 10 potatoes to take, how much she has to cover the distance? So that is 2 10s are 20. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 6 are 54. Add and simplify now. So if I add 74, so multiply 5 4s are 22. 35 plus 37, 370 meter she has to run, and she has to cover the distance to take all the potatoes, 10 potatoes which is kept on the line, and she has to take and she has to put it in the bucket. Totally how much distance? The total distance run by the competitor. So total distance, therefore total distance run by the competitor is equal to 370 meter. Okay children, write down and solve the sum. So you have to understand the question. So then you have to solve and you have to understand which formula you have to use it.